Hey everyone, Joseph Gallegos here. So, as I'm driving around, I'm seeing these really nice buildings with green facades on them, and I'm thinking, wow, what a great way to keep a building cool, to also sequester some carbon, some pollution. So I started doing some reading, and you know what I found out? Is that whenever you have a green facade like that, your building is going to be 3 degrees Celsius cooler in that area. So that's going to keep your area, your urban area, cooler, but also it's going to keep the wall 8 degrees Celsius to 15 Celsius cooler. So just think about that. You're not going to have that heat transfer from the sun beating down on the wall and passing through and running the air conditioners more and costing more dollars and polluting the air and all this additional carbon demand by just growing a nice facade of vines and everything else. And we can do it with the condensation from the air conditioning units or from one of your bathroom sinks. I'm thinking more of the commercial buildings, but how cool would that be to drive down the city and see every side of a building that's facing south covered with green vines and lushness. Talk to you soon.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.